Yep, that's the right way. Come on. Two more. Come on. That's that way, stupid.
Did he even say touch wild birds or not?
No, I'm not trying not to touch it, obviously.
You're going the wrong way.